Hi sweet friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share some quick and stylish bathroom decor ideas that you can easily incorporate into your space. First, let's talk about the shower curtain. Choosing a curtain with a fuller look can instantly elevate your bathroom. I opted for a 108-inch length for a more dramatic and luxurious feel. If you prefer a crisp, wrinkle-free finish, just pop into the dryer with a damp cloth for a few minutes before hanging it up. Next, consider updating your light fixtures. A simple change, like adding or removing globes, can transform the entire vibe of your bathroom. I swapped out the bulbs and added the original globes back for a more polished, farmhouse look. Now, onto the walls. Adding a mix of new and existing decor, like a beautiful landscape canvas and stackable decorative boxes, can create a cohesive and elegant feel. Remember to keep it simple, stick to the rule of threes to avoid overcrowding your shelves. For functional yet stylish storage, I love using woven baskets. They not only add texture, but are perfect for storing essentials like toilet paper. And for a touch of luxury, try folding your toilet paper into a flower. It's a small detail that makes a big impact on guests. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these bathroom styling tips, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas. See you next time.